That's practically where this belongs. Driving it to the dumpster. Yep, this is it. Sayonara. See you later. You are garbage. And to the dumpster you belong. Well, my Honeywell humidifier crapped out on me after 3 years of use. Every time it's plugged in now, it won't even come on at all. So right now it's plugged in and I'm trying it. It's not coming on. It was on. See the power button, no lights come on whatsoever. So what do you do in that scenario? The water is waiting for it. It's not working whatsoever. So I'm just gonna have to dispose of it and replace it with a practically new one. And that's what this video is all about. I found a new one already. So stay tuned. Let's get to the video. All right. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan with my unfiltered reviews, of course. And today's video is going to be about my humidifier, my Honeywell humidifier, that is. And the reason for this video is my Honeywell humidifier practically crapped out on me after 3 years of service. Pretty much had enough. I plugged it in. No lights came on. It's practically a dud at this point. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is replace it. I've already found the product to replace it with. And it's also the same brand as the lights that you see up here, the can lights. It's made by Govee. And I got me a Govee smart humidifier that actually works with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Google Home, that is. So I'm going to go ahead and install that and put it together and showcase that to you guys so you guys get to see it. In a nutshell, the only drawback with it is it's white. It's not black like the Honeywell one that I had there. That I was hoping that I had a black one, that I found a black one to match the decor, but the white one will do just fine. So let's get to the video further. Let me showcase it to you guys. Let me unbox it and we'll go ahead and make it work right in front of you guys so you guys can see what it has, what it offers. I'm not necessarily going to go through the app process on how to go about installing it. I'll do that a little bit later on my own. And if you guys are interested in that, just let me know. I'll create a short for you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Also, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe as well. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button. Let's go. Let's get to the review now. Let's go. Okay, guys, so it's out with the old. We're going to get rid of this one. Right this second, we're going to get rid of it. And it's just leaking all sorts of liquid all over the place. Look, it's like I got to mop after this. So let me showcase to you guys which one I got. This is what I got right here. It's the GoveeLife. Making life smarter. Alright guys, this is what I ended up getting, which is the GoveeLife model number H7140. It's model number H7140, and obviously has smart control, night light, aromatherapy. Obviously you could put aromatherapy oil inside of it. Get it smelling real good, real nice. And you could top fill it. Yeah, definitely dope. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. It's low noise and it has memory functions as well. So I don't know what that means, but it's 3-liter capacity. So that's that in a nutshell. All right, so let's unbox it. Let's see what it has to do. It's also BPA free, which is also dope. I love that. It's made in China. Of course, everything's made in China. It's BPA free, which is great. I love BPA free appliances. So let me go to to it now. I'm going to put my camera on a tripod and go ahead and unbox it in front of you guys, and I'll go ahead and put it to the use as well right in front of you guys, so you guys get to see how it works manually. And then I'll set up the smart aspects of it a little bit later on. And if you guys are interested in that, like I mentioned before, let me know in the comments so I can actually create a video for you guys with that part, or I can direct you to where you can get the information on how to go about putting it together on the app, on the Alexa app and Govee app, that is. So yeah, that's that in a nutshell. So let's unbox this. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's unbox it. All right. So I already see some stuff inside the box since I cracked it open. It comes with a little cleaning brush and a little thank you pamphlet for choosing Govee. I was hoping it was this color, but it's not, but this will work for now. And the shopping link is also attached to the video, so if you're interested in getting you one as well. That's the user manual, how to use it. Obviously, we're never gonna use that, so we're gonna toss it away until we need to learn how to use it again. And that's that. And obviously, there's a quick guide right here where you get to put it together and all of that stuff. That's practically what I'll be using to make this work. In order for you to get it working on the app, you have to actually scan this QR code, download the app, of course, or you could do it using Google Play or the App Store to do so. I already have the GoveeLife, so I already have the app, so I'm going to go ahead and see if I can pair it with my Govee Home app and make it work that way. But that's a story for another day. Like I mentioned before, hit me up in the comments if you want to see that part. Let's see here. Oh, it's pretty small. Okay, looks pretty cool, pretty compact. All right, so let's get rid of the box. We no longer need the box. No longer need this. And we're gonna untie this bag. Get rid of that too. There we go. Didn't want to drop it, so wanted to be cautious with it. So that's the top cover of it. So cool. And inside the case here, there's a few things you gotta remove. You gotta remove this. Yep, you gotta remove this because there's heat involved with foam, and foam and heat do not mix. That's also another little bag here. I don't know what's inside here. It seems like it's the adapter. And they put it in a bunch of foam. I don't know why, but okay. There's the adapter inside a fortress of foam. All right, so that's it in a nutshell. Adapter here, top cover here, that goes there. I think like so. Yep. And you could turn this around to get the venting where you want it to go, so to speak. That's actually dope. And the bottom looks like that. These are actually what makes this thing go, so to speak. And that's the brain of the operation. It has a LED light out down here. That LED light changes color. It makes it look super pretty and stuff of that nature. And this right here tells it when it's full and when it's not so full, so it can actually work. And in order to clean this, by the way, you don't want to use soap. You don't want to use bleach. Vinegar works just as fine. You use vinegar with baking soda. It'll foam up, get rid of all the calcium that's built up on here, and then that will be clean. I think you'll do that for about 30 minutes. Put it in hot water, vinegar, and baking soda. It'll foam up. 30 minutes later, you got brand new working equipment here, so you can do your thing. And right here is the adapter spot. So it's the spot where you connect the adapter. So we're gonna go ahead and put it together and get it going. So let's do that now. All right, so that's that. I'm doing the adapter cord as we speak. Okay, plug in the adapter in here, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on the ground and get it running. So basically, in order to put this together, here's what you do. You take this top, you put it on top of it. I'm gonna push it as far as I can push it. And let's see here. Boom, plugged in. It's already lighting up. And we're gonna go ahead and fill it up. And obviously, to put essential oil inside of it, you practically pour 10 drops of essential oil inside of it, and you pour water right in there. I believe this takes less than a gallon, if not a gallon of water. I think it takes exactly a gallon of water. And it has a fill line where it says max. You don't want to go over that max line. You just want to stay there where it's at. And once it's ready and filled up, you go ahead and push the power button. And as you can see, steam is starting to come up off the top of it, and it looks awesome. So now I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with this. Want to thank you guys for watching this video. The shopping link for this is also in the video as well. The link also will be in the description if you're looking to get a specific link, if you go in there as well. If you have any further questions, like I said, in regards to this unit, hit me up in the comment. If you want to see how the app works, hit me up in the comment as well. Greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. Don't hesitate to hit the like button. Subscribe. All right. We've come to the end of the video. As you can see here, it's actually working. Changing colors and everything. I was able to set it up on the app, put it on the Govee app, get everything running along with my light. So now I can actually talk to it like, Alexa, turn off humidifier. And it stopped working. See that? Alexa, turn on humidifier. Now it's on again. So that's what's so cool about this. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, because close to 70% of you guys watch the videos and do not subscribe. So it's very important that you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow my channel out. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Once again, hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.